Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're doing these super delicious, quick and easy buffalo chicken wings. They've got a sense of sweetness, spiciness. You're gonna love them. They're great for a game night or a Friday night. So let me walk you through this. What I've got here are about 10 chicken wings. So I'm just gonna add these to a bowl. Season it up with some salt, pepper, garlic powder. I'm not going to give exact measurements. I'm just going to eyeball it. Onion powder and some paprika. Then we're just going to go ahead and mix this up until the chicken is completely coated. Now we're going to deep fry these in oil, and this is about 350 until they're fully cooked. After they're fully cooked, I'm just going to remove them and set them aside on a wire rack. Okay, now it's time to make the sauce. So I'm going to add in about 4 tablespoons of butter and let this melt down. A couple of tablespoons of honey. Oh, I love you, honey. And about 4 tablespoons of Frank's red hot buffalo sauce. So we'll just give this a good stir. Squeeze in some lime juice, just for some acidity. And I'd say this is, well, about a teaspoon. Put the chicken wings in, and we're just going to give them a toss until they're well coated. This does ever look good. And there you have it, guys, our quick and easy buffalo wings, great for a Friday night, or any time for that matter. Now I'm going to plate this up in my basket. Then garnish these guys up with some chives over the top. Yum. Okay, let's give these guys a taste test. Also, they're great with a beer. So good, guys. A sense of sweetness, spiciness. Chicken is so tender. You're gonna love these. So cheers, and for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for subbing, and see you next time.